Hello everyone, welcome to the Power BI course. Today we are going to learn one amazing feature in Power BI, which is drill through. Now, drill through, as its name, it allows you to access detailed information about the visual. So, for example, if you are presenting any data and your consumers or your manager wants more detail on it, then you can just show up the drill through detail page and they will be satisfied. So for drill through, you need to design a separate page, a target page, which has all the details, and then set it up as a drill through page, and then you can access the information from your overview report page via drill through to that page. So I just wanted to mention here that do not mix it up with the drill down. It is drill through. So let me show you. I'm going to open up the Power BI and let me get the bar chart first. And I'm going to add some details here. On the y-axis, I want my store information, which is chain, and I have another information from store table, which is store name, and the third information I want from the district table, which is district. And on the x-axis, then I'm going to have a sales variance measure. So the sales variance is, let me show you. The sales variance, it's calculated the way that it subtracting the last year sales from this year sales. So we are going to see here that what is the difference where we are compared to the last year. So compared to the last year, this year sales is low, and that is why we need to analyze that what is going on here. Let me just format this visual so you can see it properly. Just increase the fonts. So this is our two chain, and let me increase the fonts on x-axis as well. So little bit bigger. That is all we want. Let's see the title as well. So make a little bit bigger title. And color, let's make background as well so it looks good, and in center. Okay, so this is our overview page visual, and for example you are presenting it and your consumer wants to more on this, that this chart showing up all the way it's negative values for both chains. We are looking at this year sales compared to the last year sales, and last year sales were high, and that's why it looks in negative. So they wanted to know more about this. So if you right click here, there is no drill through here. So we are going to design that. So I already designed second page, which I have information, store information, where I have manager, the district manager, the manager name, the city of the store, store name, and the chain name. And then I have two column charts here where my last year sales in a blue and this year sales in a red. And it shows it by month and it shows by category as well. So let's see how we can set it up this page. So I'm going to just select the page itself, not the visual page. And then I'm going to expand this page information where we have our page name, which is store information. And this page type we need to change. So I'm going to put it on the drill through. So, and then this part will enable where keep all filters on. That always must be on. That is by default it is on. If you wanted to access this page from other report, then you have to enable this one as well, the cross report. We only need from this page to second page, so we don't need that. And then we need to add here some fields. Which are the fields then? Let's go back to our overview page. So on this visual, we use couple of categories. So chain, the store name, and the districts. So like if you wanted to know more about the chain, then you have to have chain here. If you wanted to know more about store, if you wanted to know more about district, whatever you wanted to know more about, that first you have to have here, and then you can drill through. So these three I'm going to add here. You can have only one as well. I have three, you can have only one. But that should go here. So I'm going to put it as those same fields here. So chain, my store name, and the district. And that's why it will bring the same information. If you give here different categories, then it will not show you that drill through option there. So this is our overview page. Now some people mixed up with drill down. Drill down is on the visual like these symbols here. So I have three categories. So this one is one by one. So you can read the label. Go to the next level in the hierarchy. So on our hierarchy had a chain and then store name and then district. So it will go to the next level. So our store names. And then further it will give a district. It should be other way around though. So let me change it. The name should be under the district. So chain, district, and name. So now you can drill up by this up arrow and drill down one by one level by these two arrows. So now chain, then district, and then within district all stores. Let's go back here on the first step, and if you wanted to expand it all the way, then you can use this last button. So it will expand one by one on all the way. So that is about a drill down. If you wanted to drill down particular this Lindsay, then just use this drill down button in round, which will turn black when you select it. And then if you drill it down, like, sorry, not there, here, select it, then it will drill down only Lindsay, not the other. So if you go back, now if I select Fashion Direct, then it will only drill down the Fashion Directs. Okay, so that's the way it works. But drill down is different than the drill through. That is the point I wanted to make. Now let's check here. So on the right click, now I have this drill through button and I have this store information, our page. Okay, why it shows here? Because we put it the page type here. Sorry, we put it the page type here, drill through. That's why it shows drill through option there, and under that it shows that page. If you have a more than one detail page, then it will show you all that pages. We will look at that in a minute, but let's check here. So I'm going to select the drill through and store information for Lindsay. Then it's going to show me all Lindsay information. So my store name, so I have more store names because one chain has multiple stores in multiple districts. So I have scroll bar here and I have list of all stores which comes under the like Lindsay chain. And their city, their district manager name and picture. I have all that information here. But if we want only specific stores, we will see that in a minute. Now, as soon as you put it this page as a page type drill through, Power BI created a back button here, which you can use with the control key and go back when you already see the information. You can, by clicking, you can come back on this page. Now, let's say we wanted to know more about the district. Then I'm going to drill down here and I have all districts. Now I'm not bothered about these districts because they have a small variation compared to the last year. I am interested in top 3. In that case, I'm going to right click on this and drill through, store information. So that is going to show me only that FDZ4 district information and all those stores. So we have only now only this manager, Andrew Ma. We only have him here because that for that category only he is the manager, and that is only that category we have this total sales by month and total sales by category. Now let's go back to, you can also go back from here. Now we are going to further drill down, and we just, so like this store is a positive. Let me get the labels here so we can see. Data labels all. Let me increase the font size. So this variation compared to the last year is in positive, meaning these stores are doing well this year. So we are interested only who are doing worst, which are these stores. So individual store information, again the same thing, right click, drill through and store information. Now if you do not add here a store name, then it will not allow you to drill through on store. So that's why you have to have all these 3 here. Whatever you use there, you should have all these 3 here. Now particular store, so this is the store name, this is the chain, Fashion Direct, city, and then manager. I don't have any scroll here because only one manager is there for that store. So, and this is a store data throughout year and throughout category. So this is all about the drill through feature. This feature is very good because, as I already mentioned, that if your consumer wants more detail, because if you put it all details in your report, then that information may be not valuable to everyone and not everyone is interested in it. So you don't need to, you just provide the overview of the actual report, and then you have all these details in this kind of drill through. And you also can hide this page. So when you upload this as a dashboard, it will not show up to your consumers. They are going to only see this page, but still they have access to the drill through. So guys, this is all about the drill through. If you like the content of the video, then please comment, like, share and subscribe my channel, and also share your experiences with the drill through. So that is all. Thank you for watching.